Hey, hi folks. So, hi folks. So today I'm happy to showcase a project that I had built I think it's in 2020 when I first experienced, or rather, really got interested in the world of fitness and wellness. So that's when I discovered a protocol that I could just follow for 2 months, and it really helped me to reverse some of my biomarkers at that point in time. So I'm very passionate about this project, but it's been on the back burner for a while. Other priorities keeps coming in. So, but it's an interesting project. I thought just share it about what it is from a functionality user from a project perspective, also from the tech stack I used for building this project. It's a personal project. So here it is. So it's called Intune Living. The site is called Intune Living. So let me open Intune Living. So this is the Intune Living website. So it has features like homepage, and so homepage is basically, if you give your email, I will get your email, and I will be sending like on a twice or once a month email about the latest findings in the space of wellness and fitness. So basically, the homepage has a feed of like different categories: eat, move, and science behind. So eat is basically the topics related to food, how different nutritional aspects which can impact your health, positively impact your health. Movement is like different movement modalities and research around that, which can benefit your overall musculoskeletal aspects of your body. And then science behind is like the different discoveries and scientific findings behind some of these protocols and some of these uh, it could be biological topics, or it could be molecular topics, or it could be genetic related areas. So it's like entire human physiology related topics, biology, physiology related topics. Now I have like a about where I just speak about how this came about. I do have an Instagram page where I randomly, not a consistent, in the intention of keeping followers or anything, just randomly whenever I do some interesting stuff, I just post it on my Instagram. So that's it. Then Inspirers. So this is where you have all the people I used to follow, and sometimes I'm very low passionate at this point. I mean, I don't really have a lot of time, but once in a while I listen to Peter Attia and Andrew Huberman from Huberman Labs. So these are some of the folks or publishing houses, or uh, content places I used to subscribe and listen. And these feeds are fits some these feeds is what you saw it on the homepage. These feeds are actually feeds from these inspirers. So whenever they post it on Twitter, I go and scrape it, and then if it is a good content worthy to be posted on Intune Living, I just publish it here. So that's how it was. And then here I have a blog section where I publish my personal blogs, my area of my interest area and things like that. So so this is a blogging page. Now this is a front end, which is a web app. It's a mobile responsive app. So the features, I just gave an overview of the features: Inspirers, Fitsum, and the blog. And then the tech stack is basically a SvelteKit, which is built using SvelteKit. It's a front-end API for reactive kind of a UI programming interface. And then you have Bulma. It's the CSS framework I use. It's quite neat and it's quite simple to use. And it's an SSR. So I wanted SSR is server-side rendering. I wanted these blogs and other things to be SEO friendly. So SSR is definitely good. So that's the front end. Now the interesting piece is the backend. Backend is Frappe framework, which is an all-encompassing backend low-code backend framework, open source low-code backend framework which has all the modern web app features like authentication, authorization, and all of that. And then I've integrated Twitter API to scrape all the Inspirers feeds. So that's the backend. So backend is this Frappe. So this is my backend. So when I log in, I have created a custom workspace where I have all the backend entities or models I've defined. So Inspirers would be this source manager. So all those guys, Ben Greenfield, Found My Fitness, Chris Gesser, all these Inspirers are here. So if I just open Ben Greenfield, I have the basic information, his Ben Greenfield's Twitter ID. So Twitter source, so I can add multiple sources, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. So I've just, right now it is only scraping Twitter feeds. So here I just put the latest ID, feed ID, and then I have a scheduler which actually runs every other day, every day, and then gets all the latest feeds, and all the feeds will come over here, basically the Twitter feeds. So this is where the feeds are coming. So this is for the Twitter feed for Medical Express, where you have all the the feed data is scraped and recorded over here. So I come here, and then if I find this is worthy of publishing, I just check it and publish it. So it gets added to the front end. So to showcase that, so the source manager. So in the Intune website, I have all my Inspirers here. So let me just go ahead and disable Ben Greenfield, and let's see how it looks. So I'm going to unpublish Ben Greenfield, save this, and then let me go to Intune and then just reload this page. Yeah, so Ben Greenfield is gone. So that's it. And then now let me put Ben Greenfield back. Yeah, he's an important character. So I need to inspire, so I need to always have him on my side. So let me add him back. Okay, he's back. Similarly, let me add a new figure. I don't have Huberman. He's of one of my favorite fitness podcaster. So let me add Huberman. So I just create a new source manager. Actually, I have actually created it. So it's this framework allows you to just you know cut and paste the whole data in a JSON format. So let me go, and so I have so Found My Fitness JSON I had copied, and I'm just going to paste it here. So let me call it Huberman Labs. This is the name of this feed. Twitter ID. Let me get his Twitter ID. Yeah. So it's Huberman. Let me get his website. It's hubermanlabs.com. Uh, I'll just put route as okay. Clear this image. Now, okay, so Huberman is saved. Andrew Huberman is the person. So let me add an image photo to Huberman. So it goes, I have downloaded a picture of him. Okay, so let's see if he's on the Inspirer list here. Yep. There you go. So I have Huberman over here. So if I click on this link, it goes to Huberman's website. So it's basically a way to kind of add inspirers. And now, if I update his Twitter latest, one of the Twitter feeds, so the latest one, I'll go and update, and I put this ID over here in the source and the latest ID. So it will start scraping. The scheduler will begin to run. The next time it will start pulling in Huberman's data also in the Twitter feed. Where's that? Yeah, Twitter feed. So it'll start coming in. So I have like around 17,000 feeds here. Yeah, so this is a kind of a project which has been lying around for a while, not been active, not at all marketed or done any SEO on it much. So just a personal project. So I have some more ideas about this project. I want to actually uh, you know s- I do have a good IP of a good fitness program. Both it's mainly meant for targeted for busy professionals who doesn't have a lot of time to work out and all that. So it's a program which helps you to spend in a week 45 minutes to just 45 minutes in a week spread across 4 or 5 sessions, altogether 45 minutes. You are going to see significant result in 2 months. You can really transform your physique, your body, and really move in a path to completely transform your performance, really in a phenomenal way. So, yeah. So, any feedback, anything you have, any suggestions about how I can take this project forward, and I are welcome. Any suggestions are welcome. So, look forward to your comments and feedback. Yep. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.